The live price of Tezos token is 1.1 really 85. XTZ price could soar as high as $2.26 by the year 2024. Tezos price with a potential surge could go as high as $1.06 by 2030. Tezos' road to stardom was not an easy one. Given the challenges, the coin has fast gained ground. Moreover, the network also boasts an energy-efficient algorithm, which is also scalable. The native asset of the Tezos network, XTZ, has been under due consideration by investors and traders. XTZ has already been listed, including over the top 10 crypto exchanges in just 2 years of its inception. Are you considering XTZ price for your portfolio but worried about its returns? Follow this right up till the end to know about it. We take a close look at XTZ and give you a detailed price estimate for 2024 and the years to come. The Tezos price traded in a close range between $1 and $1.44 for a period, following which the bulls lost momentum and the price recorded a correction of approximately 14% in valuation. After this, the price traded sideways for a while, indicating a weak price action for the coin in the market. As the market volatility increased, the XTZ price recorded a jump of 10.84% before facing rejection above the resistance level of $1. After this, the price traded sideways for about the next 11 days. The bulls then successfully broke out of the resistance level after multiple failed attempts. But the rally was short-lived, resulting in the price trading sideways for a brief period. Recently, the bulls regained momentum, broke out of its important resistance level 1.084 and is on the verge of testing its upper resistance level of 1.121, the outcome of 1.4 as up, which is unpredictable. The moving average convergence divergence displays a rising green histogram indicating an increase in the buying pressure within the market. Further, the averages show a constant rise, suggesting the money price will continue gaining value in the coming time. If the market pushes the price above the resistance level of $1.121, the bulls will regain momentum and prepare to test its resistance level of 1.195N in the upcoming weeks. Conversely, if the bears overpowered the bulls, the price will lose momentum and prepare to test its lower limit of $1.045 this month. Because of Tezos' layered architecture and explicit upgrade process, the network can be trained to provide and incorporate new advanced technologies after they become feasible. This may aid the American coin's popularity in the coming years. Relying on its unique features, Tezos is anticipated to get the respective lowest and maximum prices in 2024. According to its fundamental study, the maximum and minimum levels are closer expected at $2.26 and $1.06 respectively. Moreover, trading prices are projected to be $1.66 on average. Growing positive sentiments and a spike in volumes could push the price to higher levels. Tezos' price prediction for 2024 could range from $1.06 to $2.26 for the year. Tezos professionals and crypto fans are optimistic that Tezos prices will keep rising in the future. If the user base of the network accelerates at an impressive pace, the network would also shake hands with bigger names in the business. In such a case, the price of XTZ might propel to a maximum of $2.95. On the flip side, ebbing prominence and stiffer competition amongst rivals could knock the price down to a minimum of $2.01. That said, constrained by the linear trajectory of this price, the altcoin could settle at $2.48. According to our analysts, XTZ crypto price for the year 2026 could range between $2.67 to $3.69, and the average price of Tezos could be around $3.18. According to our analysts, Tezos price for the year 2027 could range between $3.22 to $4.45, and the average price of XTZ could be around $3.83. According to our analysts, XTZ coin price for the year 2028 could range between $3.89 to $5.21, and the average Tezos price could be around $4.55. According to our analyst, Tezos crypto price for the year 2029 could range between $4.50 to $6.53. The average XTZ price could be around $5.51. According to our analysts, the XTZ coin C price for the year 2030 could range between $6.01 to 8 o'clock and 12, and the average price of Tezos could be around $7.65. We've made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are processed with the challenges of the average target set by the respective firms. As the Tezos Foundation continues to gain popularity, so will the number of XTZ holders. As per Coinpedia's formulated Tezos price prediction, the Tezos Foundation will play a major role in future price movements. Tezos certainly has the potential to grow in value over the next several years. In succession, the price of XTZ could hit a maximum of $2.26 by the end of 2024. While emerging rivals and negative criticism could draw down the price to invest equipment, regular buying and selling pressures could settle the price at $1.66. And Arthur Britman developed Tezos. Tezos, also referred to as XTZ, is a coin that is a multi-purpose platform that supports dApps and smart contracts. Arthur Britman prepared the white paper on the smart contract platform, and the white paper prepared for Tezos network was intended to enable a better governance process.
Previously, Arthur Brightman and his wife Kathleen Brightman launched a startup known as Dynamic Ledger Solutions that functions by creating an algorithm that would prop up the Tezos protocol. Interestingly, the tech firm was acquired by the Tezos Foundation.
And the platform's main objective is to combine a self-correcting protocol and on-chain governance to manage network modifications. Additionally, the altcoin uses delegated proof of stake and supports Turing-complete smart contracts. Finally, it would be worth mentioning that Tezos erupted into the crypto land by collecting $232 million in their record-breaking ICO. Tezos is a blockchain network now linked to a digital token called the Tezi or Tezi. Tezos are not based on the mining of Tez. Instead, token holders receive a reward for participating in the proof of stake consensus mechanism. The term Tezos is an ancient Greek word for smart contracts, as per the developers. The platform is unique as it has worked from its roots to give a better governance process than Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Tezos has its native token, XTZ, which could be used for holding, sending, baking, or spending. In addition, users could use the token to vote on network integrations. Tezos price took a few months to get listed on popular exchanges. By October 2017, it was first listed on a major exchange, after which the price immediately surged and by more than 3 times its ICO price. Among other, a major commitment, finding mass eyes, Astley Major Gunfire, great record, and further in 2018, besides a short growth of $6 on January 3rd. The coin's price suffered a drastic loss, reaching the trading value of $2. The bearish phase continued till the end of 2018 with the trade-in value below 476 by the year end. Tezos continued to trade at 48 by early 2019. Following an uptrend, the price of XTZ reached $1.65 by the mid of May and $1.70 in December. XTZ concluded the year with a price tag of $1.35 from a low price of around $1.25 in January. The altcoin faced stiff resistance at $3 during May. The price spiked dramatically to $4.28 by mid-August, but plunges $3.34. Now, concluding the year, XTZ's price dropped back to $2. By the mid of March 2021, the price had surpassed $5 and continued to rally up to $8 till May. However, after the market crash, the price plunged back to $2.03 on 22nd July. The price made a parabolic move to clinch an ATH of $9.18 on the 4th of October. However, as bears took over the reign, the price underwent a steep fall to around $4.75. The digital asset had commenced its trade for 2022 with its price at $4.352. However, turbulence in the business resulted in the price to conclude the year with a tag of $1,700. Coinpedia has dedicated a team of expert analysts to cover the possible crypto price prediction and sum it all up in one place just for you. Yes, Tezos might be a good investment if you're planning to invest for the long term. The altcoin could soar as high as $2.26 by the end of 2024. Tezos triumphs in terms of financial performance and scalability. In addition, the XTZ environment offers an advanced consensus protocol, and XTZ's price might surge as high as $2.95 by the end of 2025. With a potential surge, the price could go as high as $8.12 by the end of 2030. And Tezos works on the delegated proof of stake on DPoS and consensus mechanism. Tezos can be traded on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, OKX, and VCC Exchange, amongst others. So, at the time of publishing, the value of one XTZ was 1.1114